How to set up e-commerce. To set up your e-commerce, you need to access the e-commerce management. Go to the right on the feature bar, click on Dashboard and click on Online Store. You will have access to the dashboard to view the overall performance of your store. To the Orders panel to view your order list. To the Products panel to add or modify your products, such as you can add several options and different categories, administer shipping costs, generate discounts and coupons, create catalogs, dispatch automatic messages, add more store data, payment methods, various form fields, manage shipping labels and invoices. You can sync your e-commerce with Facebook Shop and Google Merchant Center, translate your product descriptions, and view the statistics panel.